Good morning, children. Welcome to our maths class. All of you take out our course book. All of you take out your course book. Page number 38. What is the page number? 38. Write everyone today's date here. Today's date here. Plane and solid shapes. Plane and solid shape. So plane means flat surface. Plane is a flat surface. Okay, flat. There are no curves, only flat surface. Okay, so look here. What is this one? Do you know? What is this shape? Very good. Triangular. This is triangle. Square. How could you say it is a square? In a square, 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal in a square. In a triangle, how many sides are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is a triangle which has 3 sides. And square, in a square, 4 sides are there. And 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. What is the next picture? Circle. What is the next picture? Circle. A circle doesn't have any sides. Doesn't have any sides. It's just circular shape. The next one is, what is this one green color? Okay, rectangle. Rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See here, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle. These are the examples of plane surface. Examples of plane surface. Okay, see here children, some pictures are there. See. You have to write or say the shape of the picture. See everyone. What is this shape? What is this shape? Very good. Triangle. Write down everyone. And write in the box. Touch the line. And write very neatly. Triangle. 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 What is the next picture? Chessboard. What is its shape? Very good. Square. Write down everybody. S-Q-U-A-R-E square. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E square. What is the next picture? See, it is in circle shape. C-I-R-C-L-E circle. It is in circle shape. The last one is, see here everyone, what is this shape? Very good. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay. Rectangle, circle, square and triangle in shape. Are you completed children? Very good. Look here, some more pictures are there. And these pictures, look here, some shapes are there. And these shapes tells about themselves. Okay. Look here. Tricky triangle is my name. What is this name? Tricky triangle. Top my sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Small square is my name. What is this shape? Square. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. So it is 4. So it is 4 sides are equal means it is a square. Very good. In a square, 4 sides are same. 4 sides are same. Okay children. See the next one, green color. What is this shape? This is rectangle. Rocky rectangle is my name. My four sides are not the same. So four sides are not same. But in a square, four sides are same. So as to come along. See here. 2 are short, 2 are long. 2 are long and 2 are short. So as to come along. Okay. In a rectangle, four sides are not equal. Okay. Four sides are not equal. Okay, children. But in a square, four sides are equal. Okay. Next one, solid shapes. Solid shape is three-dimensional shape that has three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional shape. That means length, breadth, and depth. What are the three-dimensional shapes? Length, breadth, depth. Length means పొడవు. Breadth means వెడల్పు. Depth means లోతు. ఎంత లోతులో ఉంది అంటాం కదా అట్లా. Okay children. Next one, cube. Cube is a solid figure of square. Cube is a see here, four sides are equal, no? That means this is a square. This is a square. And this is the solid shape of cube. This is called cube. This is called cube. See here, four sides are equal, no? Okay, four sides are equal. Cube is solid figure of square. Solid figure of square. Okay, let's see how to draw. All of you draw. First draw everyone once square. Just practice in your rough notes. Okay children. Next, ikkad nunchi you have to draw like this. Standing line. Here also. Okay. What is this one? Cube. What is this one? Cube. It has six faces. How many faces are there in cube? 6 faces. Okay? 6 faces. Next one, cuboid. A cuboid is a solid figure that has the same number of faces as cube. So cuboid also has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Cuboid also has very good 6 faces, and it is the solid figure of rectangle. Solid figure of rectangle. Okay, see here. Board, soap boxes, shoe boxes, and books are some examples of cuboids. Books are some examples of cuboids. Cuboid is the solid figure of rectangle. Solid figure of rectangle. Okay, see here. This is the cuboid. Examples: pencil box, book, brick, tester, chalk piece. Duster, chalk piece. See here, cuboid shape. This is like box, no? Shoe box. Okay, look like a shoe or sandals. Sandal means chappals. Okay, like that, no? Box. See here. All of you take out your workbook. Workbook page number 26. Page number 26. And here you have to write down today's date. Plain and solid shapes. Complete the table. Shape. Name of the shape. Number of sides. Equal size is 2D form. Okay. Now we have to complete this table. See here. What is this shape? Cube. First you have to write cube. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E. See how I write, and all of you write like that only. You have to write on the line. Write on the line only. Don't write in the middle. Okay children. and you have to write starting letter also small letter only. This is cube. Next one, cuboid. cuboid, cuboid. See the next one. What is the shape? Cone. cone, cone. What is the shape? Cone. The next one, sphere. sphere, sphere. sphere, sphere. The last one is cylinder. What is the shape? Cylinder. cylinder. cylinder, cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. Now here we have to write number of sides. How many sides are there in cube? How many sides? Very good. 6 sides. And also like that, cuboid also has 6. Cuboid also has 6 faces. Next one. How many sides are there in cone? In a cone, look here. In a cone, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there? Very good. 3. 3. And sphere doesn't have any sides. Okay, children. And cylinder has 1 and 2. Two sides. Cylinder has, see here, like this now. One side, two side, and here curved lines are there. Curved lines are there. So 2 sides. Cone means 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, are you completed? Okay, see the next one. How many sides are equal in cube? In a cube, 6 sides are equal. 6 sides are equal. And in a cuboid, how many sides are equal? Just only 3. Only 3. In a cone, 2 only. 2 sides are, see, 1, 2. 2 only equal. 2. This is short one, no? So 2 only equal in a cone. Sphere doesn't have any, no? Okay. The last one, cylinder, also has 2 sides equal. See the first one. It's 2D form. Now, cube is the 2D form of square. Cube is the 3D form of square. Cuboid, rectangle. Cuboid, rectangle. Cone is the 3D form of triangle. Triangle. And sphere is the 3D form of circle. Circle. Next one, cylinder doesn't have any. It's not any 3D form of shape. Okay. Now everyone write down. Cube is the 2D form of square. SQUARE, square. Right, everyone? SQUARE, square. Next one, cuboid. Rectangle. RECTANGLE. Cuboid is the 2D form of rectangle. Next one, cone is the, tell me, the 2D form of triangle. 2D form of triangle. TRIANGLE, triangle. Next one, sphere is the 2D form of circle. 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 Okay, children. So, last one is, see here. Make as many shapes as you can from the following picture. When done, count the number of individual shapes. Write in the respective shapes given on the right side. See here, one picture is there. In this we have to draw the shapes. See here. If we draw a line here, that means what is the shape? Very good, triangle. Here one more triangle is there, one more triangle is there. Look here. Here also we have to draw a line like this. Next, here also you have to draw a line like this. Everyone should draw a line. Okay. Here we have to draw another line. Here also we have to draw another line. See, what is this shape? What is this shape? Here 4 sides are not equal and 2 are long and 2 are short. That means it is a rectangle. Here is also like that only, no? That means one rectangle, here another one. And it is triangle. Now you have to draw a line like this here. See here. These 4 sides are equal, no? 4 sides are equal. That means it is a square. It is a square. Now you have to count how many triangles are there. See here. How many triangles? This is a triangle 1, 2, 3. Next 4, 5. How many triangles are there? Totally in this picture 5 triangles are there. See the next one. How many squares are there? Only one square. Only one square. And next, how many rectangles are there? See, 2 are long and 2 are short. How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3. How many rectangles are there? 3 rectangles. See here. Already we counted, no? How many triangles are there? 5 triangles. How many squares are there? Only one square. Only one square. How many rectangles are there? 3 rectangles. How many rectangles? 3 rectangles. So like this everyone complete this page. Okay children. Have a nice day.